Hi there, welcome back to Viskon 16, and here's another quick tip for you. If you want to connect your 3D pieces with a Dado joint, you can do it very easily with the Dado Joint command. Click on its icon and select one of your elements which you want to connect to the others. In the window, you can set the depth of your joint. Let's say 5 centimeters. Okay. And if you want to, you can always do multiple elements at the same time with the multi-select tool. Select the right ends. As you can see now, the wrong ends have been selected. You have to select the end which is facing towards the other one which you want to connect it to. And if you selected the right end, you can create this joint. Let's say 5 centimeters. And now you have created the Dado joint on 2 elements at the same time. You can of course do it on horizontally placed elements as well. Just select the right end, 2.5 maybe, and click OK. And again, the end which is facing towards the second piece. And that's it. You can easily connect all your parts together. If you have a smaller element which you want to connect to a bigger one, you can do this as well. Just click both of them. And here you can also set the depth. But if you click on the blunt and here on the lab groove unlimited, so you can create this shape. It's an open joint. And you can do this also. And that's basically it, how you can use the Dado joint in Viskon 16.